road again. It's a busy day today. We've had numerous calls rolling in. I actually had another towing company up in Duck Creek take care of 2 up there. So we were working our way up to the Midway area on Cedar Mountain for a couple deer hunters that are mired in their Jeep, and I guess it won't run. So got Shelby with me today. She's gonna run the cameras and see how that goes for us. It might be a little bit snowy. I heard there's about a foot of snow up there. And then we brought a camera along with us today, and we hope to have all the batteries charged up, so we'll see what we can get of the footage, and we will take you along for the ride. We're headed up the freeway and conditions are bad. Lots of standing water. We just passed a car back there that was on its lid. EMS and police were helping them out, so we're gonna take it nice and easy up through here, and it's probably gonna get worse going up top of Cedar Mountain to 10,400 feet, but we're gonna work our way in there and get these old boys taken care of so they can get back to their deer hunt. See any elk?
Yeah, we just saw 10 head and still got stuck. The stuck wasn't any trouble. We had stout, but I knew the trouble was when I rolled backwards, tried to get out of that ditch. On those old Wranglers and CJ7s, you know, that fuel tank is exposed at the back.
Okay.
And it rolled back, hit the ditch, and hit that tank hard. And I lost fuel. It probably, I've had to repair a lot. I probably knocked the hose loose on the pump and cracked the plastic piece on the pump. The pump will run, but it's not putting out any fuel.
Oh, so something internal on it. Scoop, it's just ice underneath, so we're gonna, it is nothing but ice. It's just a sheet of ice all the way up through here, so we're gonna get up here and get behind in front of him and pull him around down through here, kind of miss this ditch and pull him right down through here. So we're gonna get chained up. Shelby's gonna get dressed so she don't freeze to death, but we'll see where we end up here.
Wind died there, that'd be nice.
Yeah. Should be blessed with a little more wind, that's for sure. I'm glad I brought tire chains, all I can say.
Mine either.
Well, I didn't know if I was going to be able to get above him. I went clear around and on the marathon trail.
Oh yeah.
I hope I went the right way, huh?
I know the feeling. So it's the first time of the year, the first snowstorm of the year. You like my hat? And we don't even know how to put a set of tire chains on.
Practice.
But we'll get it figured out by springtime. Atta boy. Put the old hump to her.
Oh.
Put your back into it. What do you think, Chris? Right up around and up where you're at?
What I think if you can get up above him
Okay.
and pull him sideways and get him coming downhill.
Or do you think I should come right through there along that ridge back?
Come back across here.
past that tree. How deep's that?
It's a hole.
Those chains make a big difference.
Yeah, they do.
Man, that's night and day.
Night and day difference in chains.
Yeah, that's good stuff there.
These old boys want to give me a run with this thing because of the road.
Wasn't the best day for us, Joel.
No, don't imagine it was. You should have seen the look on their face when they said where their camp was.
That's funny.
Stout Canyon.
Well, I think if we just hook you short,
Yeah.
well, maybe we want some length. That's a 30-footer.
You want to just shackle him?
Yeah, either one of them is fine, unless you want to.
Go to the smaller one?
Yeah, let's just do either one of them. Well, I guess just don't crash into the back of me unless you're just going on a toboggan ride.
I'll try my best.
I guess you can always dump it in here and drop the clutch if you have to get your stop.
I think I'm gonna.
You want to follow us down?
Yeah. Haven't cut one elk track, but this Yoda's gone wherever we needed to go. Say hi, Pops. Well, just when we said there's no elk, we just seen 6 head on the hill.
All right, well, he got down in a hole there and hit that gas tank and busted his fuel pump internally or something, but it wouldn't run, so we was sitting up in this big old blizzard. So we snuck up in here and got him gathered up. We had to put chains on the front because it had rained previously and then froze solid. It's about 20 degrees out there, wind blowing 100. And so we're just gonna work him back down out of here, take him back to his camp. He's gonna get a car hauler trailer on a better day and haul it out of here after their hunt's over. But it wasn't too bad all in all, but you sure wanna have the right gear and set of tire chains, or I've got 6 tire chains in here just in case I break one or another vehicle that's, you know, him needed one or something. But I've got enough to outfit my Jeep all the way around, and I just put them on the fronts and it sure made a big difference. So
Hey. Yeah, they are. Did you see the elk on the hill?
No, not this
Right
time.
where you seen him this morning?
that's where we lost you back there.
Over were they up there all the
Yeah, we had to jam on the brakes because there's elk coming off the hill.
Well, I figured you seen some elk. What are you shooting today? Cows?
No.
Bull tag?
Yeah, bull tag.
Oh, really? You haven't cut no elk.
Cut no track yet.
Got to get on the other side of the mountain over in the monument. Get them elk coming out of there.
Yeah, they're on the wrong side.
I heard they're moving around though today. Did you? Fingers don't work in the cold. Now, some people don't think they need gloves, but I think I need gloves.
I'm sample one of those.
Oh, we got her. So that's the difference right there. You just pull in there and do the job, get it done. No reason to tear up half the countryside. Those tire chains make all the difference in the world. So we usually just pop a front set on. If we need some more, we'll put some on the back. But overall, them babies work pretty good. Right out of the back of his truck, 21-degree Mountain Dew. I'll bet that baby will come off his ice. You are the man. Thank you.
Shelby, you need a drink?
You need a Mountain Dew?
No.
You need a Coke?
Water?
You need a water?
Yeah.
All right, well, that was pretty fun. We just snuck down in there and hooked onto him, kind of spun his front end around. He was dead in the water, fuel pump or something. But now we're gonna head back towards Hurricane, about a 40-minute drive, and stop and get a little fuel in the Jeep. Time we get back to Cedar City and maybe get us a little food for our belly, and we'll well, me and Shelby just got back to town, and I'll tell you what, this is a busy, busy day. We're headed up to Wright's Family Ranch to get a Chevy Silverado, and I guess Shelby's coming along because she's the one driving. So we will do what we always do.
Take you along for the ride.
There we have it. Hang on, Shelby, it's like herding cats.
I think herding cats would be easier.
All right, well, we're working our way in here on this Smith Mesa Road out of Zion National Park. I guess we are technically still in the park, but it looks like it's dried up quite a bit from what it was this morning when the storm rolled through overnight. So we're going to probably be able to make pretty good time getting in here and then get him pulled out. See where we end up. You never know what this road, you give it a couple hours and it'll dry right up and you can drive right out. So see what happens. That guy's truck said he worked for a window cleaning company, so maybe I ought to take some off the bill and have him wash these windows when we get down here. What do you think?
Yeah.
So we're gonna work our way off here nice and easy. not very slick. It's a long ways down to the bottom over here. Not that you can see anything. Well, how'd it go, Shelps?
Good.
What'd you do?
I didn't have to get out in the mud.
So she doesn't get her feet muddy and I don't get my feet wet. But she just backed up to him. We hooked up the rope and she pulled it out of there with a little sanity and just worked her way out to the main road where he got a little traction, and we turned him loose from there, and then we kicked him loose and put him out in front of us. So we're able to make sure he gets off the mountain no problem. And thanks for coming along for the ride.